how to get the black theme on Snapchat. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can get Snapchat black theme in 2022. So without further ado, let's jump into this. First of all, you're gonna go and find settings on your phone. Once you do that, you're gonna go and search for the dark mode. Although my phone is still in the dark mode, but I'll tell you guys how it is without the dark mode. So once I turn it off, this is how it is without the dark mode. So now I'm going to put my phone back into the night mode. So I have put my phone once again in the night mode, and you see the results. Now it has gone full black, and this impact would also get on the Snapchat as well. So this is it. All of it has turned. It has also turned gray. So this is how you do it. I hope this is how you do it. This is how you get Snapchat black theme on your mobile phone devices. And if you guys still know how to do it, just comment down below. I would love to answer how to make your Snapchat in black theme, or how to make your Snapchat go black. So this is how it is, and I hope you guys find this video informative, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe the video. Till next time, peace.